Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah, I'm here with my very good friend Sheikh Jibali, the Grand Imam of McKinney Masjid. Alhamdulillah, I wanted to talk today about the issue of, can a eloquent lawyer or petitioner convince a judge to rule against the law, not following the law? So the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said that I am, sometimes you come to me with your complaints, and some of you are very eloquent in his speech, and because of his eloquence, he is able to take something that doesn't belong to him. But if he does that, he is only taking a piece of the hellfire. O kama qala Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And indeed, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Inna min al-bayani la sihra." Some speech, some eloquence is magic. It has an effect on the hearts of people. And this is what the very high paid lawyers do. Their job is to try to convince the judge whether it's right or wrong. And so it doesn't, if a judge is convinced to give somebody something that isn't rightfully his, he is taking haram or she is taking haram. So I say this hadith is a very important hadith because we live in a land where perhaps sometimes in the courts, some people have very expensive lawyers and they spend a lot of money, and they may win things in the court that is not rightfully theirs Islamically. So what is the correct thing to do for us as Muslims? If we do have to take recourse to the courts, we should always review it with a scholar, an Islamic scholar. So yes, it is true. A lawyer who's very eloquent or a very skillful petitioner, they can trick a judge, or they can cause the judge to make the ruling in the wrong way. And it's not just the judges today. And this was the statement of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, even you could do that to him. And the Prophet said something, he has to rule by the evidence. He can't, because he's teaching us how to make rulings. So when he rules as a judge, he's ruling based on the evidence. And even if the evidence is presented in a skillful way, he may be able to take something that doesn't belong to him. So I just wanted to share that with us all today as Muslims, and also as a lawyer. What I'm told is that your loyalty should be to the court first and to the bench, and then to your client. So what your job is to bring about justice. A true lawyer and a true judge, and the whole system is called justice system, to bring justice. So it wouldn't be right if a Muslim lawyer were to use the law to take something that doesn't belong to his client or her, or to whether it's a man or a woman. And especially in the time of divorce, when people are angry and emotional, they may take advantage of the legal system in the wrong way. And this is something very we should be fearful of Allah. Have taqwa, have the taqwa of Allah. Be fearful and mindful of Allah, my brothers and my sisters especially. Who sometimes we get angry, we get upset, we want to get revenge. We shouldn't allow that to make us wrong others and use the non-Islamic system or courts or police to harm the other party. We should fear Allah, have taqwa of Allah. May Allah give us more taqwa. Jazakallah khair, and look forward to joining you again soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
حرجا مما قضيت